Hello from Miami. This is North Miami Beach.
Here we are in Surfside, Florida at Solara, one of our favorite resorts. Bright and airy here. This is unusual for any of our resorts that we've been to. You have a nice half bath, a very large kitchen.
Did we have a half bath on the other one bedroom deluxe?
Yeah.
Okay.
There is a patio over there. Dining room, living room, another patio. Chaise lounge is my favorite piece of furniture here.
Non-connected balcony.
Yes, very nice. See the
Nice view of the
beach.
beach.
Yep. And the other balcony is on that side towards the street. But still, if you want to see what's going on. So that's the living room. The first thing we always do is adjust the AC because it's Florida. Here's the bedroom. Nice big king bed. Beautifully furnished. Small closet for me. Reader. Nice big walk-in closet here. Like, I mean really big. Big and around the corner. And then the restroom. A little tight, but you know, got everything you need. Sink. Toilet. Move the store, please. And a nice, very nicely tiled shower. And that's it.
And we're here till Thursday. This is the view from our balcony, one of our balconies. We happen to luck out and have two. But we can also see the beach from here as well. If I turn around on our balcony, which is nice and spacious, you'll see the beach is right there. But we're here to enjoy a little bit of sunshine and do a little pre-4th of July celebration. Behind me is the unfortunate place where 5 years ago, a little over 5 years ago, 97 people perished. And right now they're finally looking to put up 37 luxury, they call mansions in the sky. And over on the other side, they have a memorial for the 97 that perished that day. It's our first night. We're headed out for a walk on the beach. Wave, baby. First time we've ever come here, and actually it's been pretty crowded. People actually playing volleyball, which is surprising because that is usually not the case. But they've got a game going on. Nice hammock over there. Apparently they tried to do a garden. Beach. A lot of seaweed right now, but it is still beautiful. I'm coming to see how the water is. And there's supposed to be a strawberry moon tonight that we're trying to go ahead and check out. Let's see. Hot, cold, what are you? Oh, it's warm. I believe it's already 7:45. That's great. Coming across a turtle nest. If you ever see them, you need to avoid them. That's what this is a turtle nest being blocked off. When we were down in Key West, we saw my daughter and I went to the turtle hospital with a rescue. Okay. Do not disturb. One year we actually got to be part of a turtle release at our other resort we stay at. So why'd you say this walking path is better than the other one?
It's prettier because you don't have to see people or seaweed.
Look, just beach behind us.
Yes,
no
much
seaweed.
better. No people.
No what?
We don't like people.
Except for all you viewers.
Yeah, we love you. Click like and subscribe.
Come on.
My feet
The more you do it, the more the moon will come quicker.
I think my feet are going to reach the pebble.
Bring the strawberry moon up.
See.
Come on, baby.
Shoddy.
Shouted like a mad lady.
How do I feel? No.
Giving birth?
Yes, I feel like my legs are like, I'm too short.
Let me try. Even though it says no glass on the beach, we've seen numerous people breaking the law. Cranes right on the water. Cranes, beach. Cranes, beach. It's going to be beautiful once they finish it. Look at all that glass. A little bit of fitness. Now we're at station 2, trying the shoulder rotation. What are you, a DJ?
I'm trying to follow the directions on the picture. I can't see the words.
What's up? We figured it out. Rotating in those opposite directions for 10 to 20 times.
Here's my shoulder.
Well, I think we missed the strawberry moon because we were looking for the moon, and now it is too high. It is, but it's a moon over Miami.
It's still a beautiful.
Like a Denny's joke there. Still beautiful though. What?
We saw that light in the sky earlier, and I don't know what it was, but now I see it again. A drone, a plane. I think it's a drone because it's moving. I also like that our resort is blue and smaller compared to some of these. There's all those people. That's too many. Taking up my space and breathing my air. No, thank you.
Now you don't see it. Now you do. The moon is beautiful.
That was terrifying, the look on your face. I was like, I hope that's my man creeping all up on me like that.
We made it home. This is the beach side of Solara Sunset. Art Deco in style. Very pretty and very different from many of the other buildings. That's why we like it.